Hi guys, so we are here at Taj Corporate Resort and Spa, Uttarakhand. Sorry, my mask just came down a little bit from my nose, so sorry for that. So this is a lovely property at Corbett. I'll just be taking you around to all the different places there are in this property. It'll be a nice ride. Stay tuned. Let's go into the property now. They have this amazing laser cutting design on the main gate. So here, because of Corona now, there's no valet parking. They have an ample parking space right over here, and it's a self-park area. That's our ride. Let's give a shout out to my EcoSport group also. Hello peeps. So in the entry area they have these amazing vases here, and we'll be taking you further. And as we enter the main porch area, so on this side they have a waiting lounge. If someone just wants to come down, sit, there are elders in the family. So this particular side is the area where they park the e-cart, which they have, the golf cart. So if anyone who is not having ease in walking down, they can use the e-cart from here and move forward towards the room. As per the sanitization, they have kept a sanitizer over here. So they have these beautifully crafted bottles mentioning hand sanitizer here. Further down, this is the pathway leading to the front desk, and there are some amazing this horticulture which they have done here. On this side there are some cottages which go on this side. So basically we have to first enter the front desk and then further we move out. But in case of a destination wedding or a big group which we do, so in that case what they do is they do the welcome over here. So in this, the main benefit becomes that they give a Kumaoni welcome, and a specific welcome lounge is created, because what happens is at that time checkouts are also happening. So to avoid mingling of the guests and making it a hassle for the front desk staff, it becomes easier for the check-in group to come on this side. The checkouts happening in the lobby, as cashiering cannot be conducted here easily. That's the thing. I'm just waiting, as there are some guests moving in. I don't want to invade into their privacy, so that's why. In the meanwhile, I'll just show you the horticulture of the property here. I think now we can move in. See how nice sculptures they have kept here. This is just a side table. This thing which you can see down here, it gets lighted up in the evenings. This is the front desk and the lobby area here, and meet our friend Fahad. Further down, he will be taking us for the show round of the rooms. We will be introducing you to him later on for this. They have some amazing sit-outs in the lobby. One is over here, one is here, and they also have a arrival lounge here. Please Fahad, you can move ahead. But I'll just avoid going there right now, as some check-in is happening. I don't want to invade the privacy of some other guests. That's the GM office behind, and they have a souvenir shop over here. It's run by someone else, so that's the thing. So as we have gone through the front desk area, Mr. Amitav Chakrabarti, he's the operations manager of the hotel. He will be joining us shortly, and then he'll further take us down to the restaurant, to the banquet area, and he'll give us some insights about the property, how the construction is done, and he will also tell us about the bar which there is, and about a grill restaurant which is there. I'll just show you another one fountain here. There's a big water body as well. We'll be showing it to you later on. Right now I'll just show you this one. So basically, this is just behind the lobby. It gives a two-way, viewing alley. So if a guest is sitting out here in the lounge area, so this is connecting to the lounge. So someone comes down, they can view this. The lobby is over here. People can view from there as well. Please stay tuned, and we will take you around Taj Corporate Resort and Spa. Thank you.
We call. Here what we do is we do various functions like your haldi, mehendi. These are very popular for this. So it's a nice water body. Yes, sir. I'll share some pictures with you. We are doing some grand proposals also here, and that follows the marriage.
So we are with Mr. Amitav Chakravarti.
Here we can
He's the operations manager at Taj Corporate.
75 to 100 we can accommodate for any small functions, not the marriage, but the other functions related to marriage, like your haldi, mehendi, or maybe just the high teas, serabandi. These three combined together. Yes, sir. I just tell them to switch on the water board.
But as per wildlife law, we cannot.
How many?
Sorry.
For a wedding group, you have only one card or more cards?
We have one card, but if a guest requests,
Can we use the e-card now?
we get more. You want to?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can. But you will not be able to go everywhere because
No issue.
So how many category of rooms we have here?
we have superior, we have deluxe, we have suite, Corbett suite basically, and the premium. So there
So
are four.
deluxe is the cottage.
Deluxe is the cottage, and we have some superior cottage also.
Okay. So what is the difference between the cottages?
The sizes and the bathtub.
Okay.
All most of the deluxes has a bathtub and the bigger size than the superior.
So superior is the superior room which is listed on the website. That's basically a cottage only.
Not really. There are few, not all the individual cottages, but there are few first story and second story.
Okay. But the other two categories, the suite categories
Suite is
which are there,
individual.
so that's
only
individual.
one suite we have with the 2 bedrooms.
Okay. Great. And here they have a lovely 4-seater cart.
It's a 3-seater, sir.
So basically in front you
But
can
we-
only accommodate the
actually,
person who's
because of
driving.
the COVID, only one we allow.
Okay.
Deepak takes care of the bar.
Hi Deepak. And what are the operational timings of the bar here?
It's 12 to 11. But on Saturday, Sunday, we do it for just half an hour extra.
Okay.
It's 12 to 12.
And Deepak, do we also have any specialty drinks which we serve here at the bar?
Yes, we have some signature cocktails and like Himalayan Kosi, only at Mountain Zakia and Corbett Travel. So 3 signature cocktail also we have.
That's amazing.
Yes,
That's
sir.
amazing.
And every week?
various infusion also we have with
Some liquor infusions.
or some promotion like frozen margarita. So some cinnamon infused whiskey, and this is a lemongrass infused vodka, and this is masala bacardi, and apple infused rum.
And
rosemary
more
infused-
such flavors.
Yes, sir.
with-
Rosemary infused vodka.
So basically, you have made these concoctions for some cocktails
yeah.
and mocktails as well, I guess.
Yeah, of course, sir.
Or is this
Cocktail we
alcohol
don't
based?
give, it's a cocktail.
Oh, so these are all alcohol based.
It's all alcohol.
Perfect, perfect.
Here also we do a lot of functions like your lunch. We set the buffet here and sitting areas here. And the vice versa, the function we don't do there. Suppose we have done the haldi there, so do the mehendi here. The other way around sometimes. Yes.
And I guess in case of a wedding, we can use Jim's Grill and Tusker together as a function area along with this
buyout,
alfresco
if
area.
it's a buyout,
If it's a
we do
buyout.
that.
If it's a buyout.
For the buyout we do that.
Otherwise, you can't block Tusker.
Otherwise we cannot do.
Perfect. Mm-hmm.
Buffet and bar is set here.
And the food goes inside.
Food people take inside.
Oh, sorry, buffet and bar.
The
Buffet and bar is outside,
function
sorry.
happens inside.
Function is inside. And in case someone wants, there can be two bars also set up, as we have a setup
Yes,
here.
yes.
So we can do a small
We do
bar
that.
inside as well.
We do that.
So as to make it easier during the function
That
for
we
the service. And what is the square footage of this hall?
I will tell you. I think it's
In an approximate
3,000, I
idea.
think. I'll come back to you.
Sure. And this ballroom has an amazing ceiling. Overall, in Taj Corbett, whichever ceiling we have seen, it has its own character and beautifully designed. Now we are heading towards the pre-function area of the banquet. And look at these lovely door handles with the elephant shape. Oops. Sorry. And we have a good, decent sized pre-function area here, which can further move towards the restaurant. Over here we have the Treetop restaurant. This is the all-day dining restaurant in which the buffet breakfast, lunch and dinner is served. Attached with the restaurant they have the Treetop deck area where high tea can be done. Looks like you are making some tikkis for lunch. किस चीज़ की टिक्की बना रहे हैं आप? तो ये क्या यहाँ कुमाऊँ की स्पेशलिटी है कोई? अच्छा, अपना दिल्ली वाली। तो कुमाऊँ का कुछ नहीं बना रहे आप यहाँ? अच्छा, ठीक है, थैंक यू. This is the treetop deck, also known as the Ghoral deck, right?
Goral Day.
So basically, in the evenings they set up a telescope on that corner over there, and on the hills which we can see in front of us, there are chances of spotting leopard here, and the main attraction is the Ghoral, which comes from family of goat. So
Himalayan
these
goats.
that's Himalayan goat, and these are the spottings which, if luck permits, happen. And the team has also been able to witness a couple of times tiger movement across the river,
And
and
elephants. Elephants also.
elephants also.
Yes.
So this is the Kosi River. Basically, the hotel is having the first part of the lawn here, and further down we have the second part of the lawn. Beyond that, that's government property on the banks of River Kosi. So what all functions can we do in this lawn here, sir?
We can do social functions and activity for conferences and offsites.
And how many people can be accommodated in this lawn?
You can easily accommodate up to 500, but post-COVID it is again 250.
Correct.
So wedding
Correct.
we can do here.
Yes, we do that.
And I believe an evening wedding will be more suitable here,
Absolutely.
giving the amazing backdrop which we have.
Even we have done the day wedding.
So Amitabh ji has got along Fahad here. Fahad is the duty manager of the hotel, and he has been an amazing person who has been our first point of contact at the hotel, and he really knows how to take care of all the people coming in at this property. This is the premium cottage here.
This is the premium cottage, 3-1
Is it free?
Is it free? But can you just stop the video?
Sure.
Stop the
So the
video.
premium cottage has its own private set out area here. This is a river facing view.
One attached to the bedroom and one attached to the living room. 2 washroom and the private sit-out area. In this category, we just have 2 rooms with a private sit-out area.
It was an amazing experience to stay at Taj Carpet. It's a beautiful property with 61 rooms with a comfortable drive of just 6 hours from Delhi to hold any destination wedding or a corporate event in a very decent budget. Thank you.